Hi, my name is Jose Manuel, and this is my speaking exam for teacher Carlos. And I'm going to talk about climate change. First, this is my list of content for some topics, and I will talk about. First, what is the climate change? The definition of climate change is refer to a long-term change in the temperature, precipitation, drought, and other atmospheric conditions on the Earth. In the current situation, the Earth's average temperature has risen significantly over the past century, primarily for the human activities and other reasons like to natural activities for we have a global impact increasing temperatures, melting glaciers, and rising sea levels, and more frequency of extreme weather events. The primary change of the primary causes of climate change, we have two types: the human causes and natural causes. The the fears of the human causes is the global carbon emissions. This cause is for the burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas combustions release a large of amounts of CO2. Then deforestation, because the trees absorb the CO2 and cutting them down reduce the planet's balance or the balance carbon emissions. Then the industrial processes, because the factories and industrial plants emit a, a big greenhouse gases and chemical wasted. Then we talk about the volcanic activity. This this is the natural causes. First, the volcanic activity is for the release particles and gases for that can influence on the climate. Other is the solar irradiance, because the solar energy raging on the earth and burn the skin, and the the height where the climate change effects. We have two also. This is the short-term events and the long-term effects. If the extreme weather is a short-term effect, because the increase frequency and severity of storms, floods, and heat waves, like in Culiacan when rain, the streets have a flood, and the agricultural destruction, sorry, the crops failures, and reduce the productivity for the crops. The long term is the sea level rise because the melting polar ice caps and glaciers contribute the high level sea levels, and the biodiversity loss because the habitat of some species, this the people destruction and changing the ecosystems, and this is lead to extinction for some species. How to prevent the climate change? Well, I think in the schools can integrate some school programs like uh, a class for the climate education in the curriculum for the empowered the kids. Also, the renewable energy, for example, in my neighborhood, some neighbors they use they using the solar panels for their house and reduce the carbon footprint. This with programs such as sustainable transportation like bicycles and electric cars, recycle programs, and tree planting and public campaigns. Also, remember the climate change is a is a is an important issues, and they need a lot of importation. And that's it. Thank you.